This is cabin 9180 on the Treasure. It is an accessible cabin. I apologize now because I did not put our stuff away, so you'll see all of the stuff that we have out. There's 2 TVs, one there and one on the other side of the room. A ton of storage, one there, 2 sides there. The safe is in that second one. I don't think I need to show you everything because everybody knows what a cabin usually looks like. But the storage is there. Then we have the TV. The bathroom is here. It is an accessible cabin, so there's a shower bench. You'll see my washing station is on one side of the sink, and then our other stuff is on the other side of the sink, and then of course the toilet is there. We do hang and over the door, but we just use magnets and just store our stuff in there for more storage. So just a little travel hack there. We bring a stroller as well because we have a little boy with special needs. So we use it when he gets fatigued in his wheelchair. We do bring a laundry hamper for our dirty clothes. There is the outside. There's 2 doors. You'll see my husband and son out there. And then there's another door there. One is a sliding or a open swing accessible, and the other one on this side of the room is the slider, which is not accessible. We did ask for a pack and play. My son is like just at the edge of not fitting anymore, but he still likes that. But this sofa also does come down and make a bed for just like a twin size bed. And then we also do have a car seat that we bring with us because he's unable to sit on the plane without it. We do have the Encanto room, so it has the Encanto decorations. We did buy the extra, you can go online and buy the blanket and pillow for the Treasure. So we did that because we wanted a blanket. We always buy one for the cruise. There's the Encanto house. And then we have more storage here. A lot of plugs, but my husband does bring, he has a special charger that he uses, this Anchor one. This is all of our pixie dust that we're giving out. So anyways, it's a good sized cabin, really good actually. The balcony is probably the best balcony we've ever had so far. It goes so long. And that'll have to be a different one because my son is out there with my husband.